Moving on, the joint entrance examination, the mains, JEE mains and the national eligibility cum entrance test, NEET, will be conducted in September as scheduled, and the same has been confirmed by officials in the Ministry of Education. While NEET is scheduled to take place on 13th of September, JEE mains will be held from 1st to 6th of September this year. And in a statement, the ministry's national testing agency has also said, the same agency that conducts these exams, that over 6.4 lakh candidates have downloaded their admit cards already for the engineering entrance exam JEE main. It also said that 6,49,000 plus candidates have downloaded their admit cards so far, as against of 8,58,000 plus who have registered in total. Joining me on the broadcast live this morning, Mr. Gaurav Tyagi and Mr. Vaibhav Pandey. To put this in perspective and what this really means for students who have been waiting for so many months now, finally there is no postponement that will take place. Students have started downloading their admit cards as well. Coming to you, Mr. Vaibhav, first up, how do you read into this entire situation? Lakhs of students who have already downloaded the admit cards. Some were opposing this move, some were seeking postponement, but the centre also, keeping in mind the Supreme Court's verdict, said that it is the student's career at stake and we must not delay it beyond a point. How do you read the situation?
See, it is said that too much analysis leads to paralysis. So it's a wonderful decision because, frankly speaking, we at TwinWin were receiving thousands of mails every day from parents that it is very important that the exams must happen, because these delays were like having examinations for over 365 days. Just imagine you have an exam and it gets delayed for 365 days, and you have 365 delayed nights thinking about the exam. And then we should trust the Supreme Court, we should trust the government, and we must realize that everything is in process. These lockdowns have gone by now, and we have this unlock, which means that life has to come to the new normal. And the new normal will talk about opening of everything. And I think many people said that there should be a Diwali offer. The exams must happen after Diwali. What will happen on Diwali? Corona will still be a factor. So it is very important that we now realize that the exams must happen. The government is prepared, we are prepared, and the students have downloaded admit cards. If UAE can conduct an IPL for lakhs of people, we can also conduct an exam, and especially an exam which is a matter of life and death for lakhs of students of India. So I feel, yes, it's a welcome decision, and we all must come together and try and do this. In lines of Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
Mr. Gaurav, to you now.
आती हैं तो आएं.
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, please
Absolutely.
Tell me. Yeah.
So, certainly welcoming that decision, Mr. Vaibhav. Let's quickly take in a word from Mr. Gaurav as well. Mr. Gaurav, आप बताइए कैसे आपको लगता है कि स्टूडेंट्स डिस्पाइट इतना डिले हुआ है, काफ़ी फ्रस्ट्रेशन था, काफ़ी एंग्जाइटी बिल्डअप हो रही थी, फाइनली एग्जाम्स के डेट्स आ गए हैं, बच्चों ने अपने एडमिट कार्ड्स डाउनलोड शुरू कर दिए हैं, बट आपको क्या लगता है कि ये सही समय चूज किया गया एग्जाम के लिए? इतना डिले ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, कोविड टाइम्स थे, प्रेपरेशन भी अलग तरीके से किया गया था इस साल. Alright, we seem to have some trouble with Gaurav Tyagi's line, but taking that question back to Vaibhav. Vaibhav, if you'd like to answer that, you know, given the change that we've all seen this year, these past few months have been extremely challenging, even as far as preparations are concerned. What do you have to say? How easy or difficult has it been for the students? Because clearly there's been a shift.
Yes, there is a theory, survival of the fittest. So it is very important that all the students who had the mental strength will come out with flying colors. So I believe that yes, it has been a very stressful time. There were many counselors at different organizations who were talking to people. The parent communities were filing counter PIs in Supreme Court that exams must happen. But now the truth is in front of us. Exams are happening. Let us think about the exam. Let us try to come out with flying colors, and everything will be great. I think when we try to make a nation Atmanirbhar, we must say this: what an Indian mind can conceive, it can surely achieve. So I think all the stress and all the tensions are to be taken side now, and now we must have this thing that we have to face this exam and make the most of it. Our students are all ready, they are all prepared.
Absolutely. And of course, it's been a long wait for them as well. Taking a word from Gaurav, he's back with us. Gaurav, you're an education counselor. You've been speaking to students the past few months as well. आपने बहुत interact किया students के साथ. Finally, dates आ गई हैं. Students exams के लिए appear करेंगे. कैसे reactions आपको मिल रहे हैं बच्चों से? कितना मुश्किल उनके लिए रहा है the past few months?
बेसिकली मैम स्टूडेंट्स खुश नहीं है. स्टूडेंट्स चाहते हैं कि एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो जाए. जो स्टूडेंट्स का कहना ये है कि वो कोविड की वजह से रिस्क नहीं ले सकते. उनका कहना है कि उन्हें अपनी चिंता नहीं, उन्हें अपनी फैमिली की चिंता ज्यादा है, तो चाहते हैं कि एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो जाए. लेकिन अगर हम टेक्निकल वे पे बात करें तो पोस्टपोन होना कोई रास्ता नहीं है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी सितंबर आ चुका है. जो एग्जाम है वो सितंबर में होने हैं. ऑलरेडी हम 4 महीने ऑलरेडी सेशन 4 महीने डिले हो गया है. लेकिन अभी भी स्टूडेंट चाहते हैं कि एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो. वो इस डिसीजन से बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं है कि एग्जाम राइट टाइम पे हो रहा है. ये बच्चों की मानसिकता, जो बच्चे रेगुलर सोच रहे हैं, बच्चे ये रेगुलर चाह रहे हैं.
All right, so that's a different perspective. A lot of students are also coming out and saying that these are COVID times and it's not just unsafe for them, for their entire family as well. But given the numbers, it looks like for the moment, students are looking forward to mostly appearing for these exams. They've waited long enough already. But Gaurav and Vaibhav, thank you so much for speaking to us this morning and sharing that perspective as well.